Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On the right is Chedwin Park. So anybody want to guess what parish we're in or where we are? That's right, we're driving through St. Catherine. We're driving from Innswood to Spanish Town, and we're driving on the old road, or what we call the main road, which is Old Harbour Road. Old Harbour Road takes you from Old Harbour all the way back to Spanish Town. Now, the reason why I said Old Road is because they have a highway now. But something very curious about the highway, there is no entrance or exit for Innswood. So if you are here in Innswood, which is a huge community, thousands of homes, more being built every day. That's one development over there on the right. Very large housing, gated community, I should say. You have to either go down to Old Harbour and go on the highway there, or go up to Spanish Town and get on the highway there. Now, let's say you live in Innswood and you work in Kingston. By the time you get to Spanish Town, you might as well just keep going, don't bother with the highway. So they need an entrance and an exit for Innswood on the highway. I mean, for the highway, so you can literally just come out and get on the highway from Innswood, like you would get on the highway in Old Harbour or Spanish Town. That would make a lot more people use the highway. I remember the highway is a toll road, so the more people that use it is the more revenue they collect. Alright guys, so on the left now you can take this road and go all the way back to Spanish Town. It actually takes you back to the Spanish Town depot where they pass the cars and those kind of things. The Spanish Town examination depot, which is on the Spanish Town bypass road. So we're continuing straight and we're going to go up to Willardine and then the Old Harbour Road roundabout. So this is a very popular route. For one, there is no highway exit close by, and two, the highway is a toll road, so you have to pay to use it. So a lot of people use this road. It would be nice if they were to upgrade this road, the Old Harbour Road, to a 4-lane road. But there is a clause in the highway contract that says you're not supposed to build any competing road with the highway. So even if they wanted to and they had the money, I don't think they would be allowed to build a road that would directly compete with the highway. So at the very least, this road should be upgraded. Keep it at 2 lanes, but fix it, repave it, set it up, basically rehabilitate it. This is the Willardine area now. So we're very close to Spanish Town, and Spanish Town is the former capital of Jamaica. It was also the capital of Jamaica when probably 400 years ago, when the English colonized Jamaica. So Spanish Town has been around a very long time. So the town is very built out. So you find that the areas around Spanish Town are the ones that have a lot of expansion now. And this is one such area. You find a lot more residential communities on the outskirts of the major towns. Well, on the outskirts of Spanish Town, I should say. You have Angels, you have Willowdene, you have Bernard Lodge. You have a lot of areas around Spanish Town that major housing developments are going on. Alright, so straight ahead is the Old Harbour Road roundabout now. First left takes us to Ocho Rios, the next left takes us to Spanish Town, and then the other one takes us to Kingston, and then there's another exit on the roundabout that takes us onto the toll road. So if you live in Innswood and you want to get on the highway, this is a journey you would have to take. So it doesn't really make sense you get on the highway then. So that left there takes you to Spanish Town. This left coming up to takes you to Kingston, that is the Spanish Town Road bypass, and then this left that we're going to take now takes us to the highway. Alright, so this is now the entrance to the highway. So you see why we say we need more exits and entrances to the highway. And can you imagine the traffic to get out of Innswood in the morning on the Old Harbour main road? Alright, so we just went through the Spanish Town Toll Plaza. Now we're in a class 2 vehicle. So we are now on Highway 2000 East-West leg, and we're heading into Kingston. We just went through the Spanish Town Toll Plaza, and outside of Old Harbour, the next entrance to the highway is Spanish Town. So as we said at the beginning of the video, we started the video in Innswood. They need an exit, an entrance and an exit to the highway.